Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your account to SuperCell ID. This essential step ensures your hard-earned game progress is always safe and accessible. By linking your account, you can effortlessly switch between multiple game accounts on a single device and even unlock special in-game rewards. It's a simple way to protect your gaming journey and enhance your experience. Creating your SuperCell ID is a straightforward process. First, open any SuperCell game on your device and locate the Settings menu. Within the settings, you will find a button labeled Connect or SuperCell ID. Tap on it. Next, choose the option to register new SuperCell ID. You will then be prompted to enter a valid email address that you wish to associate with your new account. While many story missions scale to your current power level, it is always wise to keep your gear updated. Equip your highest power level items to ensure you are ready for any challenge the campaign throws at you. Consider using a variety of weapon types, such as an auto rifle, a shotgun, and a rocket launcher, to effectively deal with different enemy types and shield elements you will encounter throughout your adventures. With your SuperCell ID now active, you can easily log into your game on any compatible device, ensuring your progress is always with you. It also allows for seamless switching between multiple game accounts on a single device, perfect for managing different villages or profiles. Remember to explore the SuperCell ID settings for additional management options, guaranteeing a secure and enjoyable gaming experience.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.